What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got her up, shorty, should be that squishing the up. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her up, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her up, shorty ain't tripping, she got her go. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
Y'all, forgive me if I sound weird. I lost my voice recently, and it's like now starting to come back. But you guys already know I gotta get these videos out for y'all by any means necessary. Today, we're gonna be working with Amanda Hair. This is my first time working with this company. Now, I was a little skeptical because I never heard of this company before. I never even saw them around on social media, nowhere. But y'all, their hair is fire. I was not expecting. Y'all know usually when I get curly hair, I just throw water on it and go. But today I felt the need. I feel like these curls are gonna pop, and y'all, it's giving me the look I was going for. I got the little, you know, no part flip over messy look, and I love I feel like this looks so natural. This wig comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I went ahead and just did a tad bit more plucking while it was on my head. You guys are gonna see that in the video. I'm gonna hurry up and talk because my voice sounds so annoying like this. But yeah, I received a 6 by 4.5 lace front pre-cut lace wig, 24 inches, y'all. This curly hair is fire. It's giving natural. It's giving vacation. This is the type of hair you wear on vacation, y'all. Also, this wig ain't going nowhere, y'all. As you guys gonna see, I also did a shake test and a flip test, and y'all, this wig did not move not one bit. And it's not glued down, honey. Like I said, this wig is glueless, and it's given. So y'all, I would highly recommend this hair. The curls is pretty. Oh my god, all I did, y'all, was throw a little bit of water and some mousse, and y'all, the curls is given. I added some baby hair, but y'all, other than that, the curls is given. The curls is given. I love this hair. The same exact wig is gonna be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On road to 70K now. Let's get it, let's go, because we hit 60K, y'all. On road to 70K. Let's get it, let's go. And I see you guys in another video. Bye.